I can see it now. It's pretty good now.
Yeah, I just put new batteries in almost everything. You want the cars to run too? Everything's got new batteries in it. I don't know why that back end is coming up like that.
In the bus. Oh man. I don't know if you fell over, man.
Did he hit something?
No,
There
they
must have been something in there. I bet he went in your little jig.
I bet, yeah, I think so.
Check out this guy when he goes around if he hits that hole. You gotta fix that thing.
No, that's two of them went right on by. Oh, he is.
Yeah.
Because he's riding that edge, that's why.
Yeah. Gotta put a piece in there.
I still have the piece.
I guess I can't run.
He's the only one that goes.
Numbers here came off the airplane. There have been previous crashes in which the crash occurred because the airplane weren't working right. And you know what the steam draft says? That the
You better not.
I think I seen one of them on the floor over there.
My two special cars.
Yeah, I think I saw one of them.
Oh my God, my gold one?
Yeah, here's a gold one. Oh, there's a red one too. There's a red one. Oh, that's a boat flat.
There's probably another one of those. It's plastic. This is metal. There's a
Yeah.
plastic one. He didn't tell me they were all on the floor. That one we broke in 3 pieces, remember that?
Yeah.
Black and red. It must be on your side.